everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in 2 minutes or less. Today I'm going to show you a trick on how you're able to answer your phone calls by pressing the volume up rocker. So let's say maybe it's hard to see your screen, maybe it's harder for you to unlock your phone, or maybe you just want the convenience of pressing the volume up button to answer a phone call. This is how you're able to get this accomplished. If you pull down the notifications panel, click on the settings icon, what you're going to do is scroll down until you see accessibility. Now inside of accessibility, you want to go to interaction and dexterity because it's a new or different way to interact with your phone. Now underneath here, you're going to go to where it says answering and ending calls. Now inside of this one, you also have multiple different triggers you can turn on, but here's the second one here where you can press volume up to answer. Now the cool thing with this one is that you can do it either with your phone open and unlocked, you see the call come through, press the volume up key, it answers the phone call, or it'll also answer it if your phone is locked and in your pocket. So let's say that you have a phone coming through or a phone call coming through, you pull it out of your pocket, hit your volume up key, you just answered the phone call. So this is something that's very simple, it's quick, it's easy, but it's one of those things that actually sometimes improves your usage and experience with your Samsung Galaxy devices. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe right over here in the very bottom left hand side. If you liked this video, then more than likely you're going to like this one as well. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul, I'm a